In this video, I will quickly show you how to turn on the camera in Microsoft Teams so you can join meetings with video. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or phone and sign in to your account. Next, join a meeting using the invitation link or through the Teams calendar. Before entering the meeting, you will see a preview screen with the option to enable your camera. Click the camera icon to turn on the video. When the camera is active, you will see your image on the screen. Then click Join Now to enter the meeting with the camera turned on. If you are already in the meeting, simply click the camera icon in the control bar to enable the video. If the camera is not working, check that Microsoft Teams has permission to access your camera in your device or browser settings. You can also choose which camera to use in the Teams settings. Turning on your camera helps improve communication and makes meetings more interactive. And that's it. Now you know how to turn on the camera in Microsoft Teams easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.